Welcome to Malley Industries, manufacturer of Bodyguard Composites, where we're as committed to worker safety, security, and productivity as much as you are. We believe Bodyguard offers not only the best selection, but also the best solution in partitions and wall liners for today's commercial van fleets. Let's take a look at what we believe are the best composite products for van protection on the market today. As one of North America's leading innovators in ambulance and mobility vehicles for more than 40 years, Malley Industries designed these Bodyguard partitions and wall liners to meet the specific needs of today's commercial van fleet operators. Bodyguard incorporates design principles used to make modern ambulances safer and lighter with the best composite materials available in the market. All Bodyguard partitions ship in one piece, ready for installation. Simply unscrew the crate and it's ready to be installed. Competitive metal partitions come in multiple pieces that require pre-assembly before they're ready to be installed in the vehicle. Bodyguard partitions save time and improve margins on the overall conversion of every vehicle. As we continue on with the installation of both units into the van, you can see from this time lapse not only did the initial setup go fast for a Bodyguard where we simply uncrated, there's a significant difference in the overall installation times as well. As a one-piece unit, there are fewer bolts and seams to rattle together, resulting in a quieter ride and more comfortable, productive work environment. The solid unit, combined with its form-fitting design, reduces the transfer of heat and air conditioning between the cab and cargo area of the van. Our partitions protect the occupants as well as the van contents. Options include a non-windowed partition to protect the cargo contents from being seen, or windowed partition allow the operator to view the cargo area from the cab. By installing a Bodyguard partition, you will not only be protecting your staff and cargo, you will also have better retention value for your work van. The benefits are clear to make the switch today to a Bodyguard composite partition. For more information, please check out our website or give us a call.